Hey, good day, everybody. This is Matt. I am going to be working on this really nice house. It's under some construction at the moment, but what we have here is some odors in here, and the HVAC has recently been cleaned, but it's still emitting some odor, and yeah, it's unpleasant. But this is going to be really nice when it's done. It's under construction. But what we're going to do here is we're going to deodorize this with an electrochemical dry thermal fogger. It leaves a nice little cherry scent when it's done, but it does end up dissipating. So it's going to go back to neutral. But essentially, out of all of these vents in every room, the electrochemical dry thermal fogger will permeate at 0.15 microns on an atomic level. Everything that's in here, including the walls and the ceilings, this fog acts like tobacco smoke. It's designed to actually want to escape this closed environment, and in doing so, it actually, embeds itself in all of the materials in the house, and it will counteract any malodors that are here. So give me a call. My name is Matt. I'm at 954-589-3083, and I'm going to go right in here through the return of the HVAC. Thank you. Bye-bye.